Good morning. My name is Jonathan Alexander Garcia Yañez. Today I will talk about well-being and quality of work life. Why invest in well-being? Employee health directly impacts the company financial health. Points to consider: reduced abstinence. Healthy employees get sick less often. Improved work environment. Physical activity reduces stress and anxiety. Increased productivity. Good nutrition prevents mental fatigue in the afternoon. A difference: physical activity versus exercise. To educate and avoid confusing terms. Physical activity: any bodily movement that uses energy. Climbing stairs, activity breaks, going to the printer. Exercise: planned, structured, and repetitive activity. Going to the gym, running 5 kilometers, and play soccer. Smart nutrition at work. Excessive consumption of simple carbohydrates and sugar in the office cause insulin spikes and raw signs. Organizational strategies: healthy cafeteria. Remove vending machines that only offer junk food. Hydration: ensure easy access to cool drinking water. Meal schedule: respect lunch breaks. Don't eat in front of your computer. Combating sedentary behavior. Sitting is the new smoking. Sitting for more than 6 hours increases cardiovascular risk. Practical solution: activity breaks, 5 minutes every 2 hours. Walking meetings: if it a meeting with only two people, walk to it. Ergonomics: adjust chairs and monitors to prevent injuries. Thank you for watching.